Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Olymp trade. You will click on settings. Here on this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search about Olymp trade and you will click here in this window. In this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we click on clear cache, you will click on this window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all, don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for